Yeah, man. Rose coming in, baby. Right here. Coming into Stream Rock. Rhodes, how you doing tonight, man? Welcome, welcome, welcome. We made it to Melinda. Should I put Melinda? Can't kill Melinda. It said the Ancient Death Rancor would help a lot. I think we even have a Flame Cleanse me in phase 2. I think the title is Radabeast, folks, so let's just run over here. Put on the correct trinkets and make it happen. Max, what's up, man? How you doing? Caleb, what's up, guys? Thank you guys for coming in. Hey, has anyone seen my new video that dropped? The Grafted Blade Greatsword Malekith kill, folks. What do we want in our physic, guys? Equipment Oreo. We want stance break and hard tier. That sounds good. Sorcery damage. This one here we don't need. We need the ever popular holy damage negation, guys. It's kind of like the stock, because it's good for both fights. The stock trinket for Radabeast, right? What else, man? I'm missing something. Oh, I have the other sorcerer, and then the thing for the skills. The thing for the skill might actually work, man. So we could try that. What I'm talking about is Alexander's Shard, folks. This one here, man. You're good, Max. Good, man. Yeah, dude, things are great. Things are great. Oh, and then the other one, which probably is going to be pretty scary to put on, guys. The problem with this trinket, why I'm probably not going to use the magic trinket, is because I'm not going to be using magic on on Elden Beast, and it's going to make me squishy. Yeah, it's going to make me squishy. So we have to use something else. We could use Turtle for stamina. That's pretty good. I'm going to have 2 swords. Let's give it a shot, guys. Physics good. Trinkets are good. Gear is good. Oh, do we have... We have Lord's Divine Fortification, but we got to take a spell off, guys. We got too much stuff. I get confused. You guys know me. I get confused. God, does my camera look better, guys? I messed with it, man. I messed with it, and I feel like it looks better. I feel like it looks way better. It almost looks too much better. If that can happen. It's Magic Fortification. Do we Terra Magica at the door? I think we do. We've got Lord's Divine and Golden Bow. So that, guys, I mean... Now, what we did before on Radagon, and I got phase 2 a couple times, guys, with this build, with the swords, melee. But I'm like, you know what I think I'm going to do? I think we might just try the swords, the spells out, you know? Kevin, how you doing, brother? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Okay. We'll probably talk a little bit. We talked last night on the stream about the get-together. Yeah, I talked about it a second time today on the chess stream over on Facebook. I bet I can do Terra Magica first. And the reason why? Because it's probably going to last, guys. And let's just go ahead and flask up now. You know what I say? Easy phase 1, easy phase 2, because we have not done this yet. So we're in a TFU. We're in a Terra Magica. We're in a Golden Bow. We're in Lord's Divine Fortification. Okay. If you're feeling the vibe, like, follow, and subscribe! Yeah, so that new video I put up so far, it's still early, guys. It's not like... I'm still growing, okay? But so far, it's taken off pretty good. It's the top performing video I've released recently. For as long as it's been out. It's been out for 2 hours. You see what I'm saying, though? It's a good start. Good start. Where's the door? Okay, I remember that now. Okay, learning. She missed all of those. Okay, learning. Okay. I don't usually stay that close, but you know what? Learning, guys, learning. Okay, so this is probably just gonna work. What are we learning, guys? We're learning that this isn't probably. Learning. That's not doing much damage, guys. Hey, Josh Smith, how you doing, man? It's not doing much damage. Terra Magica, there is no door. You port directly in, so forget Terra Magica. And these things are, I've got to really pick. my moments. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Terra Magica. Taking it off, guys. Taking it off. Memorize spell. Wait. Remove. Not using it, folks. It's just going to confuse me. I was going to say about the same damage. Yeah. If I was standing in the Terra Magica, I would do more damage. And a trick is you do it right here at the door, and it glitches through. And then when you spawn in, the edge of it is there. So you could pre-Terra Magica, right? But can't do that here because there's no fog wall. I turned around, I'm like, where's the fog wall? There is no fog wall. It's gone, folks. It's gone. So now we can just do a normal buff up. And I'm going to try it again because Mama didn't raise no quitter. And let's do it again. The poker thing, the ash that rains the freaking things down from the sky, that is going to be better for Elden Beast than for Radagon, because it doesn't work on beam poles, because half of the attack doesn't hit your target. You know what I'm saying? Two. I was supposed to get a hit on it, guys. And I got grabbed. Yep. I didn't have the range for that. I should have gone forward. But I did have the buff, though. I did have the buff. That was bad time. He's so much bigger than me. I was gonna. Yeah. We got this, guys. We got this. I just want to get like a reasonable pull. You know what I'm saying? Is that possible? I know you guys know I can do it. You know how these things go, man. You gotta wiggle around. You gotta get a little bit comfortable. Now I have everything. Now I'm gonna blast him with the shot. Now I'm gonna blast him with the shot. Watch the difference. I went for the ash. Is that fair? What? They just blocked the whole thing. Oh, should have done that so close. Should have done so close, guys. Should have done so close. We're nowhere close. Nowhere close so far, guys. Nowhere close so far. But I am learning this spell. There's a timing thing, guys. You got to learn when you can try and get away with something, when you can't. You know what I'm saying? And at some point, if I feel like this is going to not be awesome, although, man, Magic Scorpion Charm, I can't afford it, guys. You take so much damage, and I'm going to get hit. Belly Flop will kill me, you know what I mean? A freaking Belly Flop will kill me, guys. I'm looking all the way toward Phase 2 right now, guys. You're saying, Charlie, you don't need to worry about Phase 2 because you're nowhere near finishing Phase 1. I am. I'm way closer than you think, guys. Okay. Come on now. Come on now. We got a nice quick buffing sequence at least, right, guys? You got me with the delay last time, guys. I hate that. I hate that, and that was all my fault. That was all my fault, guys. Too close. Maybe I backed up a little bit. Oh, 2 charged, baby! Dude, it's like an input reader, guys. You got an input reader. Whoa. See how close I was? Stop input reading. She's not down near as long as you. See, look at this, guys. It's already a personal best. Wow, that hurt. Okay. Guys, see how much better? I mean, this still probably isn't it. But I'll tell you this. It's not bad. Too close. Nope, maybe not too close. No. No, that wasn't fair. I love the way that things are hitting her from behind. And she's staring right at me. You know what I'm saying? I don't like going to the right. I don't like circling to the right. Oh, I thought she was going to do the double, Okay, we're dodging, we're living, 50%. Going back to melee for sure. It's like she became immune. Does anyone feel that? And mana could be a problem. I'm out of health pots, guys. That's not good. We don't have no heals. See phase 2 would be awesome. Warming Stone, anyone? Dre would put a Warming Stone down for me if he was here, folks. Delayed. We're not gonna get phase 2. I feel like the flask already. I feel like the flask already. You know what I'm saying? The dam just isn't there, guys. I mean that's a long time to be peppering that fool. You know what I mean? The other spell is not gonna work. The hitbox is too small. So here we go, guys. Check out the new look. 2 steeples, folks. I think our flask stays the same. Our trinkets change. Equipment Thorio. Jump attacks, guys. J attacks. We're not using skills, so we are going to switch to jump attack and do some slapping. We're going to do some fat slapping, folks. It's going to be nasty. You're going to love it. Wait till you see it. Wait till you guys see the fat slap. Everything else, sorceries. I'm not going to be doing sorceries, man. I'm not going to be doing sorceries. Is there something that does raises magic attack but lowers damage negation, guys? I don't know if I have it in me. You know what I'm saying? Not sure, man. That would be pretty rough. What does this do? Memory slots. What does this do? Take appearance of a cooperator. I don't use those things. What are these little guys down here? Extend spell effect duration. Attack power arrow bolts. No, there's nothing here. We're not doing charged attacks. I might have to just use like a stamina trinket, guys, which really sucks. It really does suck. But I know not what else to do. Ooh. No. It would be, God, that's dumb. It's like there's nothing on here that's good for this. There's nothing on there that's good for this. I guess I could use boost HP for heals, because I wanted to heal twice a couple times. You know what I'm saying? No professional Souls player uses that trinket, guys. No professional Souls player uses that trinket. So I have to ask myself, you know, what the hell I'm doing, pretty much. But these 2 buffs are the same. Yep. Going about. Now this is a whole nother fight, guys. And then it goes. Here. We'll get the puffing sequence down in a minute, folks. For now, we just gotta rock and roll the best we can. Okay. We'll see what happens. No, I've gotten phase 2s before with this build. Yep, I knew that was going to happen. Oh, I knew that was going to happen too. Okay. Okay. Oh, I didn't know it was going to blow up. I guess I did know it was going to blow up. Just eat that every time, huh? This is rough. I ain't gonna lie. Oh yeah, I gotta remember when I run into those things. Okay, yeah, that was pretty nasty. I have health. I have no pots, guys. Shoot the yellows at me while I do this. You know you want to. I gotta roll forward. I gotta remember to roll forward. That's 2 times that thing hit me. There's no way! Charlie, you the man. Justin, how you doing, brother? Good to see you, man. Dude, there's no freaking way. Okay, but see, I have very little experience fighting with this build and these swords on this with this speed and all that stuff. And the first attempt was like 40%, right? So we know we're on to something. This is it. Well, I've already been in phase 2. I've been in phase 2, guys. Oh wait, I don't want that. I want 2 swords, baby. Okay, we drink, which we didn't do before. Go vow. Lord's Divine Fortification. We hit this. We go bing. Light it up. We hit this. We go bing. We light it up. And then we get our butt in there, guys. That was pretty efficient buffing, folks. I could buff with the best of them. Well, maybe not the best. Nice little jump attack. That was a 3 attack. Did I get by that one? I should have never drank that close. I never should have drank it. But still, 50% second attempt. Yeah, so I can do this. I can do this. I just got to get better. Gonna have to suck out for a bit. Get the kids to bed. All right, man. Cool, Caleb. We'll see when you get back, brother. Cool, man. Thank you. Oh, I know I got it, man. It's just a matter of exactly how quick. But this is why I'm here, guys. Guys, I am slowly getting better at the game. I'm still not great at the game, but I'm getting better. And I need to pay more attention when I'm like deep inside of the freaking of the fight, man. I gotta really pay a little bit more attention, because like she did that one free attack, and I thought that was a 2 attack, and I'm not sure what the difference is. And I missed my jump attack. Okay, you stomped on me. I should never do that. I had to try it, guys. I had to try it. I wanted to try it. Well, you can still see that this is definitely... excuse me, guys. I drank water right before I turned the camera on. You can still clearly see that this is the move over the spells. The spells weren't doing it, man. The spells were not making it for me, folks. Maybe with the magic scorpion charm, but then you have to leave it on, right? I ain't all about hot swapping, even if you could. I don't want to. Duck not suck. Okay, going super aggressive. Yeah, man. Let's go. Get in there. Get a fight, baby. I tried a couple stupid things right there. I just tried that stupid jump attack because I wanted to. Shouldn't have done that, guys. It was not smart. It was not smart. Yeah, that was all guts no. And I'm already getting nailed. Yeah, okay. That was bad timing. That was bad timing. If you're new to the stream, yes, I'm always this bad, but actually, I get better. Like, you know, I was trying to do this with these swords when I first opened up Radagon, and like that night, that was the night I no-hit Malekith phase 1. No. What was it? I no-hit Godfrey phase 1 with this character right here. Yeah. And then Horaloo I of course took care of, but that was that same night. And so we were having fun killing stuff. Okay, drink up. Hold out. Get live, get loose. That's what I'm doing, baby. That's exactly what I'm doing. I feel like I didn't do something because I feel like I have more mana than I usually have. I buffed. Well, we're fixing to find out, right? Okay. I didn't do my swords. Got out of it in time, guys. Buffed one sword. 2 in a row. I wasn't expecting it. And I rolled because I was worried about not having the animation. I'm over here goofing around with my swords, guys. Hey, we got him buffed up, though. In combat. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's make this happen. What you got, sweetie? What you got for me? Whoa, that's a good one. Okay. Nope. It's amazing, too, that... I keep doing that. I can't run in and punish those guys. Oh, I'm supposed to jump that? You guys see what I'm saying, though? It's already way better. As I say that, maybe I should be hockey. Dude, I'm telling you, they broke the game. They broke the game when I wasn't looking. I've got hit by the second one every time, and that I was like, I could do 10 of those in a row without getting hit, guys. That was my fault. It had to be. I mean, it's all my fault, but... Get me out of there! Health pots. Oh, I never changed my health pots, guys. And I tried to drink my last health pot, and it cost me. And I'm not. That's okay. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Is that 20? Is that 20%? That is at least. Yeah, that's probably better than 20%. That's like 17%. Trey, what's up, dude? No! Trey, what's going on? Trey, I tried the Rancor, man, but I didn't try it with the magic scorpion charm. I'm like, if I take way too much damn. I take way too much damn for this fight. Especially when I go into Elden Beast and I can't use it. You know what I'm saying? So I've got like I got this thing for bigger heals. I don't know what else to freaking put on, man. I don't know what else to put on. I got jump attacks, I got green turtle, I got holy negation, and I got this thing that makes my heals bigger. And with all my Vig, it's something I feel that helps. I don't know. Do you have any great suggestions for a talisman? If you do, oh yeah. We guys, we're running out of health pots, and we need like one. We don't even need one mana pot, I don't think. Oh wait, I came here for a reason. Oh, I went to the wrong spot, but it doesn't matter. Any grace will work. Mix my... No, what am I here for? Flasks. Allocate. Yeah. 12. 13, guys. 13. Little difference. That was 20% remaining. Dodges were decent. For sure. Yeah. Well, way better, right? You know, I got to kind of do with, like, what I learned to do with Radagon. I'm running all the way, guys. I'm so dumb. I mean, I'm not that dumb. But see, I could have just ported there. But Raptors. Oh, Raptors! That's what I was missing, man. There you go. I took the Raptors off because we gave up with the jump attacks, and I never put them back on, guys. A man's got to have his Raptors. There we go. Huge. And was that the attempt where I forgot to buff my weapons? It might have been. So that was probably not as bad as it appeared. Oh. Let's go! Now I feel like I used some mana. Oh, yeah, because it takes mana to buff your swords. How's it going, Watchful? Good to see you, my friend. Did everybody see my new YouTube video? If you haven't seen it, please check it out. Why would I jump so early? I was lucky because I rolled twice there. No! Dude, I realized it right when I got there. Wow. A little closer, folks. A little closer. Missed the second roll every time. Good, we finally got it. I did that early, but I didn't die. Okay, that hurt. The charge is the worst attack ever. She's trying to delete me. She got me. Doesn't matter. Consistently getting into the 25 percentile. You know what I'm saying? Or more consistently. Yeah. So I still feel good about this because, you know, these things take time, folks. Or whoa, wrong Grace. Okay, now we're gonna make this the correct Grace our new home, folks. Set home here. Okay? Set home here, folks. If you guys ever want more Charlie Sardo gaming after stream, when I'm not here, when I'm not streaming, whatever, just go to the page and watch a video, man. They're edited down. They're a little more entertaining. I mean, I'm pretty freaking entertaining live, right, guys? But they're, you know, stuff you could watch to make your heart happy, to make your life better, to impress your friends. And let's get in there. We're getting in there, folks. I don't have the headphones on. One of the videos I recorded, the headphones were... I talk a lot louder when I have the phones on, guys. And the whole time I was talking like this. I tried to jump. I knew I was going to hit me. And I knew I was late. I knew I was late. Good time to drink. Well. Yep. Okay. No attack, but I mean no punishment. Oh god. That could have hit for a lot worse than it did. That was weird. Yeah, I never should have dreamed that I should drink there. I didn't get the drink off in time. When DLC comes out, will you start a new character or use old? I haven't really decided yet. I haven't talked about it a whole bunch. I need to have like in-depth discussions with like people that have done this before. You know what I'm saying? I have a whole bunch of characters ready to push into the DLC, parked at Moog. Probably not ready in other ways. I haven't gotten like the DLC prepared checklist. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. You would think I would have an answer for that, man. Right? I mean, for as much as I spend in my life doing this. But I don't know. Go! Go! Get in there! It can't come soon enough, man. It can't, but I'll tell you, I kind of made this game a whole new thing, a whole new game for me because I'm starting to work on this killing things with melee. Like the way the game was probably intended to be played. That was dumb. And I can't punish this. Because the ground's going to explode. Oh, no, that's the one I could punish. Well, okay. This is the one I think I can't punish. Maybe I can. Get out of there. Wow, yeah. And she hits me with that thing twice. Oh my god. I should just jump off the end of the world and die like a man. Dude, she's in delete mode. She's in deletion mode, guys. Why would I roll it so fast? Totally screwed that up. Were there any redeemable moments in that fight? I don't think so. It'll be exciting. I started watching you when Elden Ring came out. Did you really? Yeah, dude. I'll tell you, man. I'm gonna be all over that. I'm gonna be streaming that, man. I'm gonna be streaming that a lot, guys. The chess streams are. I'm not gonna forego the chess streams, but the chess streams. It's going to be a little bit of a challenge keeping up the full schedule, but I'm going to. Because I'm just going to do this with all my spare time. And I'm going to do a lot of it. I'm going to be doing a lot of this, guys. I mean, dude, I played 40 hours in the last 2 weeks. That means I probably streamed 40 hours in the last 2 weeks. This game. 20 hours a week. Not too bad. Okay. I think you just got to lay in there and roll until he's done and watch the floor and stay off the poopies. Just roll till he's done. Stay behind him, watch the poopies, and then whack him. Okay. Okay. Yep. Oh, of course. Well, I didn't know that was going to be. That was the one that got me before. Can't stay close. And then she charges me. That's fine. Hey, Jumpy! Jumpy! Why am I rolling away? Lots of health pots, guys. Kind of one of those. Oh, no way. That was late. That's on me, guys. It's just on me. God, I rolled right into that crap. I'm going to get hit. Jumped it, guys. I jumped it. Oh, now that one. Get me out of the poopy. Yeah. Lessons from that one. No. I think, I'll tell you one thing that's a little bit scary is how fast some of those attacks are coming. Like the jab. She's got one that's, like, I call it jab. And it comes fast, man. And I need to be able to dodge that. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a pretty important part of the process, folks. Okay, let's get our butt back in there. I flashed, right? Yeah. 13 health pots doesn't matter, guys. It doesn't help if you die. You know what I mean? Yeah. And I've got all the damn on negation. So we just gotta... Did he chest bump me? Oh, so I can do that one. There's one of those I can't... God, I did when she... You gotta be so ready. And that was, yeah, that one's got a longer cast level. Shh. It's getting worse, guys? No. Get out of there. Now I'm not hitting 50%. Hey, Maddie Marlin Makeup. Maddie, how you doing? Welcome, Maddie. Welcome to the stream. My name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess, I play Elden Ring After Dark. After Dark. Yeah. And when I do this, this will be my third no summons melee Elden Beast kill. And I did my second one a few days ago. So... I have faith. I have faith. I can do this. Like last week I was doing it with this build, and when I first got to Elden Beast, and I got to phase 2 a couple of times. So now I'm just not doing as well in Radabeast for some reason. I ate that, guys, for damn. I ate it for damn. Sorry. Thank God he wasn't in delete mode. Ah! I screamed before I got hit because I knew I was going to get hit. So nasty. I did it too early, I guess. Like that particular attack, I've reverted to the, that of a 3-year-old, because I used to hit 15 of those in a row before I would, maybe more, with the Snow Witch build. But you know what? Snow Witch build, I was grinding this, guys. I was here for a long time on the Snow Witch build, and so I think I just need to get back into the timing of it. I think I'm closer, too. I'm closer than a Snow Witch build, and all the timings are a little bit different, guys. You know, it's a real thing. It's a real excuse, guys. Drew, what's up, my brother? We're trying to take him down, but check me. Check me on the whips, man. Pretty quick, huh, Drew? Getting it down. We haven't seen phase 1 yet. Phase 2 yet tonight. I've only been going for 46 minutes. Well, the first probably 20 minutes we tried the That was a... I don't know if that was a jump. Okay. I don't know what to do there. Oh, we didn't die yet, so that was good. That was supposed to be a jump attack. Hey guys, took a little damn. Took a little damn for the team. Ah! I knew I went too fast, guys. That one I just did as quick as I could. And that one I'm not supposed to let me do. Well, that might be it. Go back in the saddle again. We got the poopy back on one wet, folks. Come on. I'm dead. I knew it! I have to face the, I think... I have to face the grabs head on unless I'm pretty far away. Dude! Drew, Trey, Drew, Kevin, Drew, we missed you, brother. We talked about you. Came up so many times. So many of you guys, all you guys did, man. We were talking about Kayla. We were talking about Drew. We were talking about the After Dark community, man. And I just really, really missed you guys at the real life meetup, man. It was really cool, guys. It was really fun, man. I'm already thinking about ideas for next year. Isn't that crazy? People say stuff like that, but I really am. I'm already thinking about how to make it better next year. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. I gotta go forward, guys, not backwards. Forwards, not backwards. You guys like that idea? Everything's so white, man. Let me turn the lights off. Timing was off a little bit there, guys. What? What's with the double on that? I thought you took a chill pill there. Okay, let's just... That's the one I was talking about. So... And that jump there is way too early. I'm trying to delete you guys. Well... We'll swing in the air for just a second. What's up, Radagon? I should have remembered there's 4 there, I think. That was nasty. I'm dead. I feel like I have no way to roll that going forward. Dragon Crest. Maybe do Dragon Crest. Is that the one I have on still? Will that help? Let's try it. Let's give it a shot. I'm willing to try anything. You know, these things just they're good. They're good. It's just not a cheese build. I actually have to play Elden Ring, guys. I have to play Elden Ring, guys, and that's scary for a guy like me. Earl Dragos would have been good. Or more Holy Resist. little early, but... Okay, I waited too long in that. I wanted the second one. Go forward. Go forward. Yep, that was a delayed one. And now I'm running away again. Gotta go forward, guys. And that was the one that was a longer cast. That always lets me heal, though. I said that always lets me heal. I had time to heal, guys. Dude, she just... Oh, I almost went off the world, guys. No! Hey, I got the heal off at least. That was bad timing. Should have hit. I should have punished her. Should have gone forward there too, I feel like. Dude! I thought I blew that. I blew it! Hey, I rolled it! That was early. Don't let her delete me. Dude, I took too much time. I took too much time. Phase 2, baby. Phase 2. I just want to hit him, guys. All right, guys. Feeling really not trusting my I got 2 health pots, guys. I don't know which way he's going. I know nothing about it. Drew tried to teach me 100 times just doing this. I tried to roll it, guys. I knew it. I knew that's what it was too. Oh, I got divine fortification on though. Okay. That's progress. Masterful dodging. Thank you, Drew. Guys, that's dodging. You know what I'm saying? Do you think Pearl Drake might be a better choice than the Great Shield, guys? While I take you and grab a bottle of water. Guys, I'm going to tell you guys a secret that I've always known, but I let it sneak into my life. Snacks are the devil. If you don't buy cookies, you won't eat cookies. You can't throw them away. It's a sin, Ma. They're left over from the get-together, and they're good. They're good. Now, I did a couple of times go for extra wax. Guys. Oh, wait. How many? Yeah, no. This is good. This is, yeah, one mana flask is all we need, guys. Yeah, so you guys don't have an opinion, Pearl Drake over, let's see if we see a difference. Let's see if the Pearl Drake, and this is, I get the right one, right? Holy damage. Yeah, okay, good. Want to be sure I wasn't screwing around with no, I ain't trying to mess around with no freaking lightning damage, you know, because they're almost the same color, right, guys? Okay. I think I see what you said, Trey. I would have grabbed some cookies, but I don't eat chocolate. Wow. We're trying to Pearl Drake this time and see if we get a little more damn reduction. I can also, the little laser beam she shoots, although I shouldn't be trying to figure out ways to take more damage, right? Because we went into Elden Beast with 2 health pots, and I need more. Because I'm gonna get hit every once in a while. But the fact is, usually the biggest things that kill me are the grab and the belly flop, and those will usually kill me anyway. If I do have the Divine Fortification fresh on there, I've survived grabs before in Phase 2. Yep. He did a different attack. Never should have done the third one, guys. That was dumb. But you know what? I wanted the dam. I should have rolled. I don't know why I didn't roll. I'm like, can I outrun it? Wow, you just fly at me like that, huh? Just flies at me like that. It doesn't matter. I have to just stop. I have to try, like my new safe zone needs to be on the other side of Radagon. I got to run at Radagon. Your word for that. I know. You don't eat chocolate. What? Are you like allergic to it? Isn't that a thing? Are some people like allergic to chocolate? Tell me you're allergic to it, and I'll understand. Tell me you just choose not to eat chocolate. Tell me you're not a chocolate enjoyer, and I'll be like, dude, I met you. You seem pretty normal. You know, it's like I don't know what's going on with that. I mean, I'll tell you this though. I'm not like a chocolate aficionado. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate chocolate. I'm a chocolate appreciator with the O. Here we go. Oh, I get it. You just hit me with that. And hit me with that. Right. Don't even give me a chance to get up. Okay, so we can't jump punish that. She was gonna kill me anyway, guys. I should have backed up. What did I say? I gotta go at her. I'm not allergic, but it makes me nauseous. Sick. I would say that's. You sure that's not allergic? It makes you nauseous, sick because mentally, like the way it tastes. Yo, what's good? Hey, we're all about. How you doing, man? Welcome, welcome. We are making progress on Radabeast. And I've had a whole bunch of good phase 1s and one phase 2 that I probably got to about 70% or something. Maybe more than that, right? 70%? Not sure. But we're just trying. We're trying to get deeper into the phase 2 and more consistent phase 1s. You know what I'm saying? Oh, come on. The buffing sequence, guys. I kind of lost it in the buffing sequence. Yojo recommended a build I should try out. What was it? I don't break out or anything, but yeah, I guess. I mean, I don't know. I'm not. This is not medical advice. I'm not a physician. I tried to jump there. That was dumb. Go forward. Go forward. Go forward. I don't know it from here. I feel like it's... See what I'm saying? The timing's different, guys. And I freaking, I blew it. I gotta roll it faster, guys. I thought I had enough range. Witch Hunter commissioned by Golden Order of Zweilhander Bestial Barbarian. It's definitely not normal, whatever it is, because everyone likes chocolate but me. Yeah. Do you like, if you just put it in your mouth and swish it around, do you like the way it tastes? You probably, if it makes you nauseous, you probably, obviously, don't like the way it tastes, right? But you may be conditioned to not like the way it tastes because it makes you sick. And I'm German. We love chocolate. Let's sneeze. During a buffing process. Let's go. Anything but dark insulation. Just the smell. Well, that's a trip. Yeah. Yeah. Insurance. Anything but dark insurance. Huh. That's a lot of damage. Okay, not too bad. He recovers real quick from the grab. I knew that was late. I got hit by that? Wow. I always get past that. That was a really good phase 1, guys. Except I just got deleted. I can tolerate it if it's mixed with something sometimes. If you're feeling the vibe, like, follow, and subscribe. Thank you, Streamlabs chatbot. You absolutely love to see the chatbot at work, folks. I almost want to take the equipment. I'm going to. I took the, equipment. Oh, maybe I'll try the Ash on Elden Beast? I just like the rotation of the weapons without the extra stuff in there. Okay. But, I mean, why would you bother, man? You probably don't bother, right? I wouldn't. Something makes me nauseous. I mean, I don't think there's any type of food that I don't have any allergies that I know of. Any food that I can't eat. Any food that I can't shove down my pie hole and inhale it. Get away from that. I tried to time it, guys. I couldn't see. That was such a good start, though. Look at the dam. There has to be a clue. There has to be a clue to that grab. There has to be a clue to that grab, and I'm gonna look for it. I'm looking at her left hand that she's trying to grab me with, and I'm not seeing it. I'm seeing, bam, I'm dead. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I see people roll through it toward her, but I've tried that, and I freaking just die. You know what I mean? The grab is not a big thing because, I mean, I should learn how to deal with the grab. If anyone could tell me how to deal with the grab, when to do with the grab. When she's about to grab you, roll it. Yeah, it's like, I'm rolling away too, though, and maybe she's speeding up, and even as I go away, she comes forward and catches me. Do you know what I'm saying? And maybe the iframes aren't, there's not enough time. Is what I'm trying to figure out. So maybe I'll try and back up a little bit and then just run at her and roll. I don't freaking know. Oh, I got to try something different, guys. Okay. Lord's Divine Fortification. Dodge behind her when she does it. Really? So you like run at her and try and go behind her? That was one. Eat the frostbite. What? Dude, there's no way I had that. Dude, I had that with 13 flasks, bro. Get some stand back. I want my stand back. Get up on that belly. Get up on that belly. Get up on that belly. Stabby. Oh, man. We get to try a belly flop. Okay. I have 10 health pots. I don't know if I should, like, drink one or not. Probably don't. Just be a big boy. Oh, God. That worked. He puts all the poopy in front. I can't see what he's doing. There's no way that hit me. No, I have no idea how to beat that. Some damn. I got greedy with that. He did the slam, slam. Okay, is that my best? 60. Is that better? Is that 60? That might be high 50s. 59, 58.5. Well, progress. We're making progress, folks. This is what we ask for here at Charlie Soda Gaming. This is what we demand of ourselves. Do a little bit better, and you shall achieve perfection, or at least you'll achieve a little bit better. Which shit was something. And I can get 3 attacks off at the beginning. By spam roll. If I just get the hell out of there. Gotta pay attention. Just gotta know what's coming. It's coming quick, too. Well, sometimes I can. When that doesn't hit you, it's so smooth. You know what I mean? Gotta dodge forward on this. How do you get hit by that? Oh, am I too close? Am I too close, guys? Thought I had to roll this. Back in the fight, guys. That was so cheesy. Radagon. Oh. I ate monkey. Sent it. I love it. I love the sharing of Elden Ring knowledge in the community, folks. It's a good thing. We did dodge one of those things. I didn't actually get behind her, but I kind of watched it and didn't roll straight backwards. If you know what I mean. So it's like that's a slight improvement on that attack. Did we say that equipment? Did we say that Holy Dry Proof Liver? I only have 2 of them, but I want to try one on, guys. I want to try one on. Don't get mad at me. Here we go. This is probably way too long of a buff sequence for a, I didn't rest. I guess I drank it. Did I drink my flask? I feel like I never had a flask. How could I not have had a flask, though? You have to have a flask when you die. When you die, you get a flask, right? Can't stack lures with Lure Divine, yeah, so So they can't cancel each other out, or one of them did. I tried to roll, but you know, I was a little late. That having that thing in the slot costs. Oh, okay. When she drags, I got to go forward. Dude, stop! The deletion mode is so freaking annoying. Yeah, you can't go. You can't go in there. You can't go in there, guys. I don't know what made me think standing so close to her that she was gonna whack at me. Hey, man, look at that. That's like 10% less. Yeah, that's probably about just right at 10% or less. Yeah, last one applied stays, overwrites the other. Yeah. That's good to know. That's good to know. I should have remembered that. I think I might have known that, man. I think I might have known that. Equipment, just remove that. Yeah, that's good for rainy days or something else. Other specs, but not for this. Not when you have the spell. Here we go, folks. Okay, now I can't tell myself that I wonder if I took my flask or not. It's fine. Let's go! Yeah, so I probably had a holy dry poop liver on there. I wonder which one's better. Bottom line is, wondering which one's better. If I took that time to get better at Radagon. Damn it, she got me with the stab. That. Bad guys. I have no weapons up, but I gotta save some stamp because it gets dicey early. A little better on the belly flop. I blew that, guys. Where'd he go? He just came over to hang out. I've done worse there. I wasn't sure where I was looking at. That wasn't too bad. Guys, those you gotta run under, boy. Thought that was gonna be the other attack. Stabby! What is it? I can't see anything. Can we do it again? Don't know how to beat that one, guys. And we're at the wall. That's bad. No way! Dude, look at this! Look at this, guys. We're getting it, man. We're getting it. We're getting back into the rhythm of the beast, folks. Back into the rhythm of the beast, man. Ooh. Stance break. I'm not getting any stance break. Yeah, it did. Yeah, this is NG plus 10. I'm not getting any stance break, man. So our physic is being wasted. I have stance break in Opaline. Is there anything else I could do besides stance break? No charged attacks. No equipment load. Magic attack? Yeah. Drew, that's what dude, I love you so much, Drew. I went right to it, and I'm like, magic attack, and then I look in your magic shrouding, and I'm like, magic shrouding correct here. Yeah. Yeah. You know why? Because it'll make a difference. Now, here's the key. Can we save it for phase 2? This is how I beat him on my Snow Witch. I spent so much time getting Radagon down that when Radagon started being easier, and Elden Beast was still really hard, I was taking things away from Radagon, like a sorcery damage trinket. I mean, you know what I'm saying? And like putting on a jump attack or a charge attack for the melee or something. You know what I mean? And then it made Elden Beast better, and so I used a skill. I used a skill that I acquired over time on warming up on Radagon to make the Elden Beast fight a little easier. I'm not going to drink my flask. We're going to try Radagon no flask, guys. Here we go, folks. You've never seen it before. It's called Radagon no flask. I know it's not really probably a real category, but here at Charlie Sardo Gaming it is, folks. Come on. Let's roll. Let's roll. If you are feeling the vibe, like, follow, comment, and subscribe. Guys, it's Streamlabs bot said it. There's probably a shroud of truth to it. Probably a shroud of cracked truth to it. Hey, I'm over here talking, and that's what happened there. But I dodged the poke. I was so happy at myself. The jab, the one I said that comes so quick, I dodged it. I'm like, hey, I dodged the poke, and before I could finish just saying it, the next attack that I should have rolled. Yeah. I do have the turtle talisman right, guys? I do, and I'll tell you something. That is a pretty nice thing to have, folks. Might want to hold on to that one. That was not the fault of not drinking the flask. Well, it could have been. It could have been. Because of the dam. Yep. We shall see, folks. We're going to get back in there. Begin the buffing sequence. Well, at least we're not burning flasks right now. We're only burning Golden Vow and Divine Fortification. Oh. It's a little bit warm in here, but like, I know if I turn the AC on, I'm going to freeze my butt off. You know what I mean? You guys know exactly what I'm saying, right? Yeah, dude. The Opaline Bubble Tier is what's been keeping me up. So I guess as we are learning Radagon better, as we're trying to do better on Radagon, we're gonna have to use the flask. Darling, it's sad but true. Hey, man, today is Jeff Connolly's birthday. You guys heard on the chess stream? I sang happy birthday to him, man. And it made me feel good. Chef been in here tonight? Let's roll! Let's make it happen, baby. Okay, so that time I can't always get away with it. Figured out the answer to that. I still feel good about that. You know why? Because I went forward. I'm okay because I went forward. I didn't jump. Guys. Oh, that big long one's the one that I can't hang out for. Okay. Happy birthday, Jeff, if you ever see this. Yeah. How old did you say he was? 45, I think you said, guys. He was 45, man. That's pretty cool. That makes me feel good. Okay. I'm not going to do the stupid third attack at the opening, guys, because I can guarantee two. What the hell am I doing, right? Trying to jump, guys. I couldn't get my finger to the button in time. She's in deletion mode, guys. This might be one of those rounds. That's the one I can't punish, I think. Right, I was right. She's not shooting hardly any yellow poopies. Ah! Those are the ones I'm talking. That was a good move, man. That was a nasty little thing she just did to me. Dude, the timing. Yeah, it was too close. That thing freaking... I mean, I wasn't full health, but I was like 70 or 80%. Being that close, that thing just freaking deleted me, man. The timing is a little bit different on those things, and I maybe I'm giving it too much credit, but I really have to pay attention to it. I said buff. I said buff. Nice roll. Come on. Why? Why would I jump so early? I was doing so good. Back in. It's here. Got a drink. I went early because I could. Because I thought I wasn't going to be able to go at all. Wow, she hit me with that? I should have never gone for the hit. That's one weird thing about Melee for me that I'm just learning right now, and I just got, I screwed it up there real bad, but when she goes up, I'm like, I gotta like move and look up to see where the hell she is so I can see where she is in relation to me, see which way she's going. She kind of falls out of my freaking, out of my sights, man. You know what I'm saying? I gotta hit her a little more, guys, I think. Oh. These things don't exactly slap, but they set me up for a long Beast fight. So this is a challenging build for me. For sure. Yeah, the Magic Shrouding should be slapping a little bit on Radagon too, but I ain't feeling it. I went for the third hit because I wanted to see. We're a couple of health pots in, but that sucked. Come on. Dude, I was so close. So close, man. So close with 10 health pots. I mean, okay, I would have had to burn 2 to get back up to snuff for the beast. Getting there, man. You know what? I'm feeling a lot better rolling forward, man. That was the difference. I saw that fight the most. When he disappears, he'll kind of disappear and turn into a dot and just kind of stand and like not do anything, and then he'll kind of like just appear whacking me in the skull. You know what I mean? And so I've been going forward and getting hit sometimes once, but not as much. It was better, man. It was much. Thank you. Working on this thing, trying to make it the best Elden Beast ever. I missed like every roll. It's like a totally different dude, but that's all right. We're gonna win, so fight. I want to get the frost on that fool, man. I want that sucker to be freaking... I want that sucker to be releasing fumes like Pigpen. If you know who that is, folks. BTFU. Dude, I was like aiming a different direction. I was turned sideways, and so I felt like my sword was in the wrong hand. Usually I'm buffing from behind. So weird. Okay, here we go. No! I just won't believe the next hit's coming. Oh! So bad. That's what I was talking about, trying to get near her, you know what I mean? I mean, I didn't do much for me. They explode, bro. They explode, bro. It still hit me? That was a mistake. You know, sometimes you just know it's a mistake. You know? When I was doing the earlier, I tried a Death Sorceries Drew. And not so good here on Radagon, man. I didn't use the Magic Scorpion Charm though. Because I didn't want to have to carry it over in Elden Beast. You know what I'm saying? I just couldn't do it. He hunted you down. I like the extra hits in there. Cool. Yeah. Yeah, the extra hits are what was getting me to the next phase. What I keep trying to do is get off the bloodstain. trying to take less damn. I'm trying to, like, you know, let me see. It's like play for a no-hit. You know what I'm saying? Doesn't mean I'm going to get it. I mean, I should not be so negative all the time. I don't know why you got to be angry all the time. Just want to be sure I took my flask. My flask with my hard tier and my magic shrouding. I mean, see, I'm in the circle. I'm not dead yet, though. I can't punish that one because that makes poopies. That was bad. Good. Let's go. Almost lost him. Usually starts a pretty big nasty swipe right there. I try to roll! I try to roll at the last second. Oh, I'm gonna survive it. There's the Lord's Divine Fortification. Yeah. And then I just fell apart because... Yeah, I thought he was going to be sleeping, you know, like pretty exhausted after doing the grab. And so I thought I'd get a hit in, and that's what got me killed. It's okay. We are making progress, guys. We are seeing many more Elden Beasts than we were. We are... What else are we doing? More Elden Beasts. More... in better Radagons. Still some bad Radagons. I did. I drank it. I can see it on. What am I worried about? There we go. Let's get a proper weapon. And switch it again. And we're going to... What's everybody doing, man? You guys all playing? You guys all gaming? Did Caleb ever come back? After putting the kids to bed and stuff? Dude. Great reset, folks. We're gonna get the punish. Yeah, I got a hit there, even though I should be backing up. No! Wow. So many health pots, so little time. God. Just miserable. I almost rolled the cord onto that one. Why am I doing that? I knew that one's not punishable for me. I can't get to it that close, and I freaking knew it, man. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I thought maybe I could do it. I'm feeling really shiny, man. I'm feeling really shiny, guys, because it's a little bit sweaty in here, but that's gaming, folks. If you ain't sweating, you ain't gaming. That's what I say here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. I probably should wait on that, right? What if that flask like lasted one hit on LNBs and made the difference? All right, what am I doing that for, guys? Buff at the door. You know what I mean? Be smart about it. So, let's roll. Yeah, Storm Restore Valen NG5. Nice, dude. That is fun. Whatever. Damn, I didn't realize that was that low. Or maybe she just slaps. But still, very, very low percentage there. I'd like to get the Radagons, you know, I'd like to get the Radagons under perfect control if I could. You know what I'm saying? You know, like every pass, you know, it'd be great. You know what I'm saying? Okay, we're buffing at the door now, folks. So as not to waste anything. There we go. Wait, did I just buff that sword twice? Only the video knows, folks. Only the video knows. Yeah, I remember farming those holy proof dry livers, man, for one of my playthroughs. I don't know why I think I can roll. And then do a jump attack. You know what I'm saying? No! Hey, I didn't get hit. There's no way. I'm dead. Well, okay, I'm not. I didn't die yet, but that was pretty bad. Yep. Dude, I think that's an insta roll. I think that's an insta roll. When she ports away and turns into a dot and she's right in front of me, Is there any clue what she's doing? Because, like, she'll appear, but then it's too late for me to catch. I mean, maybe I'm just not fast enough for that. I mean, I hate to even say that, but I'm trying to figure it out. Phase 2 malarkey, guys. The Phase 2 malarkey of Radagon, folks. I think my best is Elden Beast. What would we say? 40%? 40%? Something like that. Yeah, that was good. I gotta just heal. It's the best move. I don't know why. Why would I ever believe that the second attack wasn't coming instantly? It always does. That's the one I'm talking about. That's the one I'm talking about. That's the one I'm talking about that just still gets me. And this guy is probably 80 big, right? And I can't expect status. Vig's at 80. Yeah. Everything's good, man. Strength, dex, int. Faith. I mean, if I wanted the respect for it and be a baby, I could go Vig 99, you know, endurance 99, strength 99, dex 99. You know what I'm saying? Although I probably need int for the I could just get rid of the faith. I could get rid of the 50 faith. I could get rid of the 50 faith, man. And I think I have 2 points in arcane. That'd be 52 points. 19. What's that? 34 left. You know what I'm saying? But it's like, it would be minuscule. All I need to do is dodge a few more times and capitalize on a few more punishes on Radagon average than I'm doing right now. And then I don't need respect. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Lord's Divine Fortification, folks. It's a game changer. Whoa. Okay, we buffed up the buffing up process, folks. We got it. We got it now. We're making it happen, folks. Oh, tomorrow is Tactics Tuesday. I was home again today. I slept at my house last night, which is weird. Wow. That worked. Hey, didn't waste any mana, guys. I know I can't punish that, so don't even try. right at me, huh? Great. Thanks for that. Thanks for keeping the pressure on Radagon. You're so nice to me. There you go. Why can't you do an attack like that? I could just get a little bit of damage in. That was jacked up what he just did right there. That was jacked up deletion, man. I had a freaking shot, and they turned around and freaking just whacked me. Yeah, it's rough, man. Okay, well, guys, it's only 2 hours. It's only 2 hours on one. Oh, nope. We're right here. We gotta stay focused, guys. We gotta maximize our chances because we need it. We need it, guys. I gotta drink at the door. Maybe a quick break and help me beat Godric real quick, then come back. I could totally do that, Drew. I could use that, man. You guys want me to go help Drew kill Godric? It'd be fun. I beat him melee before. Although I can very easily bring my other weps out. We're gonna go to Godric, folks. Where is he? He's Queenside Bed Chamber. Summoning Pool region. Okay, I gotta do one equipment here. It would be here. Yep. Let me find my staves, guys. Where the staves? Donde está staves, guys? Does anyone know? I should make a chart and be like, here they are. What a joke. What a joke. Are these them? They're right here. And I gotta go all the way down again. That's amazing. I'm going down. Whoa. Okay. Everything feels good there. Oh. We have to learn Terra Magica again. Stormveil, secluded. Okay. Cool. Saying, yeah. I was thinking, yeah. You know what I was thinking. Memorize spell. Bang. Little spell called Terra Magica, folks. Oh, he's gonna get freaking melted, bro. Stormveil Castle. Coming to the secluded cell. Got you, brother. Set down the Amigo's nasty finger. Put on the appropriate weapons. We know what we want. We want one of these here. We want one of these here. Although we are going to, for number 2, we are going to definitely be buffing with a golden vow. Oh, I forgot my pots. Dude, I have no mana pots. I screwed up. Hey! I screwed up, my brother. I'm so sorry. I'll be right back. I have 0 mana pots, man. I can't do it with no mana pots. I mean, I was probably gonna miss everything anyway. I put everything back the way it was, except for allocate flasks, folks. Allocate. Flaskuses. Allocate. Oh, wait. There we go. 6 and 8, baby. Coming back with the dirty finger, folks. Swiping my dirty finger all over the floor in front of Godric. And I know you said Godric. I saw Godfrey because I wanted to fight Godfrey. You know what I'm saying? Because I love him. Because I love him, guys. This one's fun too, though. Yeah. He makes funny noises, guys. He's kind of silly sometimes. You know what I mean? Hey! Let me vow us up. Here come the poopies, folks. Here come the poopies. There's no rules. Aussie rules. Might be coming closer. Yeah, I'm hitting him. He's coming at me, folks. You get untargeted? Screw the rules. Godfrey rules. Oh my god, I was in the animation. Get poked, buddy. You can't hang with us. You can't hang with my power, guys. Get poked. Get your body shot, bro, while you still can. Tell your friends. Tell your friends in heaven that I shot your body, all right? That they'll know who I am. Hey! Thank you, Nephew Lou. That was fun, Drew. Thank you, man. It's a good time, folks. We came, we saw, we kicked butt. And I got a rune arc, which I have not used a rune arc yet. But you know what? I mean, I almost feel like if you're going to use a rune arc to really get the max out of it, you want to use that tier that helps you heal bigger. Yeah, thanks. Always good to melt him. Yeah. No, that was fun, man. That was fun. What's going on over here, guys? Thought he was going to be dead. He is almost dead, guys. And did I get all the sisters too? I got all the sisters too, folks. They're all dead, sir. I just like to clean up the castle before I go back to work. You know what I mean, guys? Good times, bro. Okay. Pretty much done everything except for Millennia and pretty sure I did Via's Dragon. I did. I remember doing Via. Wait, maybe that was on the big one. Now, if I don't have the grace, I never did this, right, guys? If I don't have the grace, I never did this. I mean, it's clear as day, right? There's no graces here, guys. So I never did this on this character? I think there's only one way I know. Find out, and let's go to Randy's Rise. If I'm gonna be freaking grinding the rest of my life on freaking Radagon until I get good, then I might as well enjoy myself. I don't think I talk to Randy anymore. She's got to be done, dude. She's got to be done. She's got it, right? There's nothing left. Yeah, no. Radon's dead. She's done. I'm just going to go see if that portal is open. Now take me to some stuff I ain't killed yet. Get a little casting in for a little bit, right there. All that casting got me a little worked up for my Death Sorcerer build, guys. Yeah, I grinded for a while on my sleep build, walked away morning. I beat him in 2 tries. Yeah, I've done that kind of thing before too. Yep. Sometimes you need to get away from it. And so, I'm going to go see if I can take this little portal. And we'll find some new and exciting things, guys, to cast the sorceries on. We're there, guys. We are there. Travel to another location. Calgon, take me away! Water's good because, like I said, it's a little toasty in here. But, like, my feet are cold. You know what I mean? Told you guys. Freaking sweaty. I'm a sweaty gamer. I'm a sweaty gamer. The miniature Ranny. Now we're going to talk to the miniature Ranny. So I think there was one playthrough where they told me, don't talk to the miniature Ranny. You guys remember that one? What was that? Was that like the Madness build or... I don't know what that was. The Madness ending. There was something where I was not supposed to talk to the miniature Ranny. Would be a no-no. Talk to miniature Ranny. Talk to miniature Ranny. Guys, she's being... I'm a little bit perturbed with her, so if she comes, I think I'm not going to listen to what she has to say. I mean, you guys can if you want to.
Oh, or is it me? Fine. I hadn't expected now the form eliminate.
Oh, this is where, yeah, she will not brook disobedience.
The name of I will.
Yeah, I got to kill a fool.
Eliminate the name of I will.
I had to kill Blade. I think I can kill
The
Blade
name of I will not.
because you know what? I'm going to kill Blade, Drew, is with the old 1-2 combo, man. With the 1-1-2 combo, I think you know what I'm talking about. That's how I'm going to kill Blade. There's Sombers over here, Ma. It's a sin. Right? Stand back. I didn't buff. Get him. How'd I do? I think I broke his stance or something. I think I hurt his feelings at least. And I at least hurt his feelings, guys. And that's okay. I mean, I guess, yeah, I can't play out the ranged game with that fool. And, is there a grace before Blade? I'm sure there is, right? I'm just going to grab my runes and run past that thing, guys. I kill it every time, guys. NG plus 10. What am I proving, guys? Oh, God, no. Wow. Yeah, usually I'm a little more careful with this. I'm just... Because I kind of have a route. And I'm just like, oh, this is okay. But now, dude, this damn is real, bro. The dam is real. If you have a crafting kit, you can make various items from materials that you find. Select item crafting from the main menu. They should hire me, guys. I can sell this game. I can sell it. I can smell it. I can smell it. And now watch. I'll come over here and I'll summon like a beanie or something. And then I'll make them run. Oh, I died too. So the wounds are gone. It was only 300 kills. Might as well pick the pretty flowers. Don't tell me I was supposed to go over there. Slipping forward. Okay, so the Somber is from bonking his brain. Dude, there's gloveworts over here. Am I gonna die? Dude, I never knew there were gloveworts there. They're not part of my normal route, guys. Got a roller. Bay City roller right here, folks. Am I gonna be sorry I didn't kill that guy? As I say that, how come I have 6 health pots? I haven't rested in a month. I didn't rest, guys. Dude, you have got to be freaking kidding me. How do I have 4 health pots? It's like I'm stuck in PvP mode. Oh. Well, I allocated them, but the shit should be like 7 and 6. And I guess I used a couple. It's true. I have to stop taking things for granted. Like, I literally called it. I'm like, am I gonna regret not killing that guy? Salivate. Halig Drake Talisman. Which one is that? This guy's gonna be sorry he even looked at me, folks. Come on, ding dong. Fight's over here, bro. Don't just stand there and get whacked on. You see he's attacking us, right? He's the bad guy. He's the bad guy. I've done this. Stay still, buddy. Hey, Dung, you feel like... Oh, God. We gotta do it. What did I drink? Dung is like being tanky, I guess. Dude, look at that stuff. It knocks him back like a baby. Ooh, there's gloveworts over here. There's gloveworts over here, Dung. Dude, do I skip these all the time because I didn't see them? One thing about me, folks, I love my gloveworts. Okay. Dung's gonna start fading fast, folks. Yeah, he's gone. He's decided to bail out. I'm a little low on pots. Am I being chased? Oh, Dung's here. Those freaking things slap them back, guys. Leave it Dung alone. I'm drinking with my freaking warming stone. That's why I'm here. Don't make fun of me. Uncharged, buddy. You know why? You ain't worth a charge attack, buddy. Where's Dung Eater? Still around? There we go. He can't come with me though. I just really wanted to use my warming stone. Bye bye, Dung Dong. Can I creep by? Bugs know. Bugs always know. Dude, there's no way! So I have to kill that bug. I have to kill that bug. The Halig Drake Talisman. Holy Damn, holy damage negation. Oh yeah, I probably have it on. You're right. I could put on something else like a little something that, you know, will do more damn. And take less damn. Okay. I guess before I make the run, I could like bust a vow. Just bust a vow, right? Wouldn't be a bad move. Is that? Oh, does that thing stay dead? It should. I guess I have to kill an ant first. Just have to kill a freaking ant. That's all there is to it. These freaking fools are all okay. Okay. We're going to charge up on this ant. When he drops, we're going to... This is going to be a 2-popper, too. Yeah, can you believe that? I knew he was going to die real easy. You know how I knew? Because of the way he killed me so much. I knew he was going to be squishy because they are so deadly. If you actually had to fight that guy for a few minutes, okay, his attack is actually really easy to dodge. You just can't be running away from it like a corn fool. Just all not smart. Crab eggs? Anyone? Crab eggs? Crab legs? Ah! Should have never looked at me, bug. Yeah, nut bug. You little nut bug. You little bug nugget. He's a little bug nugget, folks. Blade's the guy I'm looking for, man. And I want my flask for Blade, guys. We're gonna have to go. Wait. Oh, the other way is the other way where Blade is? I'm a little confused, folks. One thing I know for sure, if I don't have the freaking bell bearing for this area here, I'm freaking oh, we might as well rest, right? Yeah, get our flask back. I don't have anything because that's something I've done a million times.
Of the devil, each of us, which is when, but I would not. I stole. I would not. The 2 fingers and the bale.
Yeah, I just put. I can't go back up. Is this the way that leads me to? Does this go to? This guy's always so annoying. He's a beanpole too. It's really hard to freaking hit. It's hard to fight in a phone booth, folks. Come on, phone booth buddy of mine. There you go. Yeah, you little moves. There you go. You're lucky it didn't cost me too much mana. I would have kept you alive and tortured you for a little while. Okay, guys, hardcore parkour here at Charlie Sardo Gaming. Oh, nailed it. Don't think we need the bell bearing, guys. I think we got to go run past a huge ball. Do I need to go in that room? Further a storyline? Guys, it's like when your stamp starts going down, it's like, why? Oh, no reason. Just a little thing called you're being chased by a huge freaking ball. It almost hit me, guys. The huge ball almost hit me. We'll get that after we kill a boss, I guess. Does the ball die? I thought there was a boss here. Oh, he's in the next room. Whatever this is, I already have it. Doesn't mean I don't want another one. Let's go. Okay. There is this multiple attackers, folks? Because if it is, I'm just calling in my boy. I'm calling in the Black Knife Teacher because he boogies. He boogies, guys. This is not a solo run. I am soloing Elden Beast because I'm challenging myself. I am summoning the Eater of the Dung because the Teacher of the Black Knife because it's fun. Let's get the teacher in, folks. Let's get the buffs up. I doubt they're gonna do that, but it's probably worth Two. Wouldn't let me change my freaking Wow. So much for my caster build. I gotta run all the way back from where? Is the Grace like in this room? You know what's funny too? Black Knife Teacher tried. He tried. You know how I know he tried? I saw him try. He picked up the first one, and then as the other one ran past him, he took a whack at it, guys. But it didn't turn around for him. Wait, this guy's got a whip or something? Wow, that was horrifying. Because I did not make an actual exact evasive maneuver like a jump or a skip. Hey, you got... I mean, I've seen a lot of stupid stuff in my life. But I've never seen a blob with the sword popping out of it, blocking the door. I mean, that's a lot. And I already did this. I'm going to stand back for avoiding that freaking ball, guys. I tricked him, guys. He's coming. I got time to pick up the poopies. Hey, I'll take him. Now this room I can run right through, right? And now we have... Dude, the Death Sorceries build is cool. And it's very powerful, and so often I have been melting some stuff. But, ain't a lot of quick stuff about it. That's what I understand. That's what the poopies are for. That's what the heeple steeples are for. Just somber, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's like, why not? Why would you not get that? Okay. Black Knife Teacher, because I have faith in you, bro. That's the one that killed me last time. I didn't flash. Yeah, it does put some poopies on me. Dude. Almost freaking melted me, bro. She hits hard, man. I better get over here and help the teacher, or else I'm gonna have some problems. It's okay, Tish. I got him. He's trying to kill me because he knows I'm the host. All right, there we go. And they gave me flasks back. And you run out. Oh, wait. Is there loot? I forget this loot, folks. Does anyone have a record in their brain of what loot this is? If you're new to the stream, my name's Charlie. I play guitar, I play chess. We play Elden Ring. Oh, I have a bunch of those guys. Man, if I had a quarter for every one of those I had, guys, I'd probably have like $5. $5.50. Yeah. That'd be pretty cool. Some guy in a comment said something like, "Man, you have 1,500 hours for reals?" He said, I played like 600 hours, and I thought that was a lot. I'm all, dude, 600 hours is a lot. Like, don't be thinking you didn't do anything, bro. 600 hours in a game is a lot. It's like, I do this for a living, man. I got time. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, it is versatile, man. But we're doing the, oh my god. Anyone on to me yet? Swords ain't slapping. Oh god. This one saw me. Maybe I can only have the one see me. This one will see me till later. Hope you see me, Mimi. Wait. And one shot it. Okay. Have we seen a grace yet? There's a grace right here, huh? And then we do some poopies, and then we see Bale or Blade. Let's go, Jackery Taylor. How you doing, man? Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the After Dark scenario. Jackery. I think one of these days, real soon, guys. Like, I don't know if I'll do it tomorrow night. You know, I could maybe do it tomorrow night at 1 in the morning. I might do a live, do an After Dark on Facebook to try and pick up any more stragglers who don't know I'm streaming here, you know what I mean? These things are well worth killing, folks. Is there another one on me? Because then I can buff for Blade without pressure. Feel? Anyone feeling that? When I say buff for Blade without pressure? I treat Blade like a boss, dude. He's given me freaking hell before. Okay. I don't want to go too far because I might screw up. I already drank my flask? For what? They took my flask away from me, folks. Okay. One of those. Probably gonna have to top off, which kind of sucks. I'm going to, though. Goes like this. Bam. Golden bow. I don't think he's sporting any, Here comes True.
Oh, Shadow, thou art the last. Tell the two fingers that
It's not melting him,
cometh,
but it's keeping him at bay a little bit.
flesh, with a fateful wound, ne'er to heal.
See what I'm saying? The stuns are getting him. He healed, but he's still on a rock. I'm gonna have to drink's a problem. No way. He's coming out. He's almost got his feet in the water. That's not fair. I don't want to have to play Elden Ring. He's got a beanpole of a stature, folks. His shoulders aren't as broad as they appear. Look at that, man. He just can't get me. I killed,
Twas more of a challenge than I envisioned.
what's his name?
Now
I need help!
stand before them.
Gideon. I killed Gideon exactly like that. Yeah. I'll probably make that into a reel. That was pretty cool. He was just stuck, guys. He couldn't do anything. We got the discarded palace key, folks. Red Blade is going down. He went down all right. He went down all right. He went down all night. He had no choice, folks. So now Randy's happy. You know, I really would rather her not even know, because she was kind of rude to me. And she's like, I will not brook disobedience. You won't what? You won't brook disobedience? What does that freaking mean? What am I? Oh, you'll brook whatever I tell you to brook, lady. We can't die. So just run. I could book a little, guys. I got freaking 80 faith or something. I could book a little flame cleanse me if I wanted to. We have plenty. Oh, I have 5 health pots. Was I supposed to be out of the rock for some of that time, guys? Was I supposed to wait for the bridge? I might die. I just realized I might die. No, we got this. But you got to have enough health pots, though. You know, and I didn't really make sure I knew that I did have them. Might actually be close. No, I think we got it. See what I'm saying? Get out of the poopy. It doesn't matter. Can I make it without drinking, folks? Do I go for it? Do I go for it? I'm going for it! Get it! Dude! That was about as close as it gets. Yeah, that was close. I had one more health pot, guys. That was freaking close, man. I mean, it didn't have to be. Now we have a Stelio. Corn Stelio, guys. He's a nice guy, I guess. Guys, I am going to call it here. Thank you for being here. Guys, I just had a new video drop today. It is the Crafted Blade Great Swords, Melee, No Summons, Malekith. It's a short video, got like 6.5 minutes or something. It's right up on my YouTube page, man. Go to Charlie Sardo Gaming, watch it. Watch the shorts, guys. Watch anything you want. There's other videos. Another good one is Snow Witch Getting Good, where I did some good stuff. Yeah, and there's all kinds of lives there too. If you just want to pick up on another live, a great live is my first Fire Giant no hit, because I get right in and we work Fire Giant out like pretty early in the stream, and then we have a really killer kill and a no hit kill. I've never no hit Fire Giant before, but I did. And then there's my first no hit Malekith. That's another one where I kill Malekith early in the stream, not 3 hours in, guys. And it's good. It's good. And phase 1 is no hit. So there's good stuff there, guys. So check it out. I freaking love you guys. Drew says, hey, dude, just in time because I'm heading out too. Good, man. Daniel Abbott, dude, thanks for coming to YouTube and checking it out, my brother. Oh, you know what's funny? You said hello, and Drew said hi, Daniel. And I looked and I looked up Daniel. Because they're all D's. Drew, Daniel, and I looked all the way up and I couldn't see. I'm like, who's Daniel? It's Daniel Abbott. Daniel, forgive me for not saying hello to you, brother. Thank you for coming, man. Thank you for coming over. And Chess will be back at 4 p.m. tomorrow. And I will probably do an After Dark on Facebook when I get home from my open mic tomorrow night. All right? So thank you guys. Love you. Oh, Daniel, no. I'm just so glad you're still here and you saw that. Because there's not a ton of people here right now with the huge chat experience. Daniel Abbott comes in. I should be able to say hello, right? Guys, thank you guys. I love you. And if you haven't liked it, the video, you can like it. If you would like it, I'd appreciate it. If you like it. And if you haven't subbed, hit the sub button. And I love you guys. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Thank you guys.